Welcome students. Let us discuss a very important question from the chapter Heights and Distances. Here the question is, a TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. From a point on the other bank directly opposite the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. From another point 20 meter away from this point, on the line joining the point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. Here diagram is already given with this question. Let us try to understand this diagram here. AB is a TV tower. We have to find out its height. Suppose AB is H. And on the other side of the bank of the canal, there is a point C where angle of elevation of the top of this tower is 60 degree. And when we move 20 meter away along this line BC, the point D is there, 20 meter away from C, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower becomes 30 degree. So here we have to find the height of the tower AB, which we have supposed H. AB is H, this we have to find out, and the width of the canal is BC. We have supposed X here, this we have to find out. BC is X. Question is very simple. Try to understand. First of all, we will take right angle triangle ABC. Here angle B is 90 degree. So in right angle triangle ABC, tan of 60 degree is equal to, this angle is 60 degree, is equal to perpendicular means AB upon base means CB. And you know tan 60 is root 3. We have supposed AB is equal to H and CB is equal to X. And therefore H is equal to root 3 times of X. We have got this relation here. Now we will take another right angle triangle ABD. Now in triangle ABD, again we will take tan of this angle, means tan of 30 degree. So tan of 30 degree is equal to perpendicular means AB upon base means BD. And therefore, you know, tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is equal to AB. We have supposed H, and BD is DC plus CB means 20 plus X. 20 plus X. Or we can write, in place of H, we can write root 3X. So 1 by root 3 is equal to, H is root 3X. So root 3X upon 20 plus X. Or by cross multiplication, we are getting 3X is equal to 20 plus X, and therefore 2X is equal to 20, and therefore X is equal to 10. So we have got X is equal to 10. And now we can find out AB very easily. So therefore AB is equal to H is equal to how much? Root 3 times of X. Root 3X. Root 3 is 1.732 and X is 10. So this is equal to 17.32 meter. So one answer is this one. Height of the TV tower H is 17.32 meter and width of the canal X. So this is another answer. X is equal to 10 meter. Width of the canal BC is equal to X. Is equal to 10 meter. So question is very interesting, and we will see some more problems in another videos. So students, please remain in touch with these videos, and thank you very much for watching these videos. Wish you all the best.